From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Tuesday morning, State College. I'm student meteorologist Daniel Weaver, and we've got yet another rainy, wet day to start the day. Got those low-hanging stratus, nimbostratus clouds out there, sitting at a temperature of 59 degrees. And look at that dew point is also very tropical out there at a temperature of 59 degrees. And speaking of rain, this will be day number 10 in a row that we've seen recorded precipitation. The last time that happened was back in February of 2008. And the only difference was some of that was probably snow. This was all rain these past few days. And we got at least two more days we got to get through today. And then we got more chances of rain tomorrow. And then we have a few small chances here. I'm not seeing any rain. The only day I'm seeing rain this after tomorrow is maybe Saturday, when we got yet another cold front moving through before our rain really comes back again on Monday, which is beyond this scope of this graphic. So with our weather headlines, you got those rain showers moving in later today, or for the rest of the day today and into tomorrow. Then the sun will come back out for Thursday before the clouds will come back out on Friday ahead of yet another cold front that will move through on Saturday, but that one will be pretty weak as well. Current temperatures and dew points, they're pretty close together. Temperatures are in the upper 50s, and so those dew points getting close to that 60-degree threshold where things start to really feel humid. Got 59 degrees as the temperature in State College, but 64 in Erie, thanks to that effect of the Lake Erie, which is actually 1 degree warmer than Philadelphia, which is actually interesting because Philadelphia is usually the warm spot of the state. Current satellite and radar, you can see those rain showers moving their way across the Commonwealth this morning. If we zoom out, though, it's kind of hard to see it because this cold front is very weak, doesn't really have too much rain associated with it. But if you look close enough up in Michigan, there's a little bit of rain with that cold front. This front will move through tomorrow, which will finally put an end to our dreary weather and bring Mr. Sun back. Thanks to that and this high-pressure system all the way out towards the west. We did need this rain, though, because this is as of last Tuesday. Most of Pennsylvania was in some form of drought, or at least abnormally dry. And it would be interesting to see what this looks like when the drought monitor is released Thursday. I would imagine that most of this would at least be shaded off, or at least degraded down a color, like upgraded from like out of drought, which is good news. So we'll time out this rain. We got a few scattered showers. Really the big rain for today is happening right now in the morning. But then otherwise, we'll just have a few pesky showers. Skies will remain overcast for most rest of the day. And as we go throughout the day, tonight and into early tomorrow morning, we'll have a few more scattered showers before a cold front out to the west will slowly make its way through the state. It'll probably make its way through by around lunchtime or in the afternoon. It'll finally kick the clouds out, so tomorrow afternoon will be partly cloudy. So the morning will be pretty cloudy, what it is this morning, and then the afternoon will be partly cloudy, and the skies will continue to clear out as we head throughout tomorrow and into Thursday. But we are expecting quite a bit of rain, too, with this morning and tomorrow, about 0.3 of an inch in State College. How about Erie with 0.77 inches of rain? And Philadelphia, not really expecting too much rain. But we will take all this rain that we need because we desperately need this rain. Those farmers need that rain. The people at gardens need their rain. You got a few more days yet for the garden before we got a frost, which will probably come at some point. Our average first day below 32 degrees is actually October 14th in State College. The week ahead, though, we got yet another cold front that's going to move through by about Saturday morning. This one's pretty weak, too, so we won't really see too much rain with it, but it will bring those dew points back down into the 40s again. And then we got a cold front that'll move through again on Monday, which will bring us our next big chance of rain. So bringing it back to today, we are expecting a high of 62 degrees, overcast skies, mainly scattered showers in the afternoon. The big rain is really happening right now this morning. Tonight, we'll keep those overcast skies. It'll be overcast and rainy with the low of 57 degrees. Not too much of a temperature change today from the high and the low, and that's all thanks to those cloud cover. And then for your day tomorrow, we're forecasting a high of 65 degrees. A few showers early in the morning, but then skies will gradually start to clear out a bit with the passage of that cold front. And then for your 7-day forecast, we'll keep those clouds again for today and into tomorrow, then miss the sun. It's finally back on Thursday, but as quickly as he comes out, he'll go right back behind the clouds. But temperatures will start to warm up. Our average high is 65 degrees in State College, so it'll be about 5 to not quite 10 degrees above average. It'll be about 5 degrees above average on Friday and the weekend, with those clouds moving in. Our next chance of rain on Sunday and Monday with the passage of yet another cold front. That's your forecast. Have a great day.